Our law firm handles burglary cases throughout the state of Arizona. And if you've been charged with burglary, there are a few things that you absolutely need to know about the system. First is that burglary is a very serious offense depending on the allegation. There is a difference between burglary if the facility that is entered is a non-residential facility or a residential facility. So breaking into a structure that is a home where someone lives, that is a class 3 felony. Breaking into a non-residential structure such as a business is a class 4 felony. That also has to be done, the break-in has to happen and remaining unlawfully has to happen with the intent to commit a crime therein. And so if you are in a situation where you're charged with burglary, burglary is actually a very complicated statute, and it's one of those statutes that creates a lot of opportunities for criminal defense attorneys. We've had a great deal of success with these types of cases. My law firm has been practicing for over 20 years, and we have a number of former prosecutors that understand the nuances of burglary and what to look for. Clearly, any crime that forces the state to prove intent is a crime where there are opportunities. And so they have to prove what was happening in the mind of the person who was arrested for a burglary when they entered the structure, because there's a big difference between trespassing. Trespassing could be a simple misdemeanor versus burglary, which is a major felony, and that's all hinges on what the plan was once the person entered and remained unlawfully. So when you are charged with a felony and you're looking down the barrel of time in prison, my advice to people is take a deep breath, calm down. You know, you're on the web right now, and I understand that. It can absolutely just lead to a nightmare because there's so much conflicting information. And if you're looking at like class 4 felony, you say, oh my goodness, the maximum penalty is 3.75 years. Understand that the vast majority of people that face a burglary charge don't go to prison for that length of time. And so you really should speak with an attorney, a qualified criminal defense attorney, if you're charged with burglary. Your life is on the line, and being a convicted felon is obviously a gigantic thing. Going to prison, going to jail, and losing everything, of course, is a gigantic thing as well. And so you owe it to yourself to sit down with a criminal defense attorney and really talk through the case and look for defenses. Try to find ways through this maze. And one of the easiest ways to find a defense for burglary, it comes down to the remaining unlawfully. That's an element of the offense with the intent to commit a crime therein. And that's where you can really get some traction with the defense on burglary. So if you want to give us a try and see how we work and how we think, give us a call at 602-989-5000. Any burglary case in Arizona, we're here to help you. So sorry you're going through this, but know that help is on the way. All you have to do is just give us a call. Thanks so much for watching.